Hi kids, this is Teacher Erica and welcome to math class. For today's video, I'm going to discuss with you about estimating difference of decimals. Everybody, please repeat after me. Estimating difference of decimals. So I'm just going to recap this part. So we have 4.238. The number 8 is in thousands place. The number 3 is in hundreds place. The number 2 is in tenths place. And we have decimal point. And here is start with ones place. Again, this is a fractional part, or it's called a decimal part, and the number before the decimal point is a whole number. Now, we have to follow, or you have to follow the rules in estimating numbers. The same rules apply from the sum, estimating the sum of the decimal numbers. Okay, just the same. So this is just a review. So again, rules in estimating numbers. If the next number is 5 or more, add 1. If 4 or less, you have to don't add 1. Again, 5 or more, add 1. 4 or less, don't add 1. So let's have an example. And by the way, symbol for estimation, again, this one. It is read as is approximately equal to. Again, is approximately equal to. Okay. Estimate the difference to the nearest whole number. So we have here 29.458 minus, since we are talking about difference, getting difference, so it's about subtraction. Okay, so minus 10.652. So the whole number here is this one, 29. So the next number to 9 here is 4. So 4 is less than 5, which means don't add 1. So the number is just the same. Okay? 29. Next, whole number here is 10. The next number is 6. 6 is greater than 5, which means you have to add 1 plus 1. 10 plus 1. 11. After that, you will subtract. 29 minus 11. Solve it mentally. Okay, the answer is 18. So it's approximately equal to 18. Again, 29.458 minus 10.652 is approximately equal to 18. Estimate the difference to the nearest tenth. So we have here 30.458 minus 28.652. Tenth place is here, the number 4. The next number is 5. 5 is equal to 5, so which means you have to add 1. Okay, so 30.5. Again, add 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. So the number is 30.5. Next to this number, the 10th place is 6. Okay. And then the next number is 5. 5 is equal to 5. It follows that you have to add 1. So write 28 point, so 6 plus 1, 7. 28.7. Alright? After this, you have to subtract. 30.5 minus 28.7. So, it will be easier for you if you will subtract vertically. So, let's get started. So, 5 minus 7 cannot be because 5 is smaller than 7. So, it cannot be. You have to borrow from here, 0. Okay? So, from 5, it becomes 15. 15 minus 7, 8. Now, this one, 0 minus 8, cannot be, right? Okay. It's supposed to be 10 if this number will borrow from 3. But since this number borrowed from here, so from 10 it becomes, okay, don't forget the point, it becomes 9. Okay, now 9 minus 8, 1. Alright. So this number 3 becomes 2. And then 2 minus 2, 0. So you don't need to write the 0. Again, you don't need to write the 0. So our answer is approximately equal to 1.8. This is an example in rounding the difference to the nearest tenth. Another example, estimate the difference to the nearest hundredth. So we have the number 54.458 minus 23.652. The hundredth place in this number here is 5. So again, the next number is 5. The number is 5 and the next number is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1. So 54.46 or 46. 54.46. Next, how about in this number? The hundredth place here is 5. And the next number is 2. 2 is smaller than 5. So you don't need to add 1. Don't add 1. So 23.65. After that, you have to subtract. So 54.46 minus 23.65. Again, you have to do the subtraction vertically so that it will be easier for you to subtract. Sixth, recording in 3, 2, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 6 cannot be. So borrow from 4. So 4 becomes 14. And the number 4 here, it becomes 3. 14 minus 6, 8. Then don't forget the decimal point. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. This time you need to write the 0 because we still have the number here, okay? Now, the answer is approximately equal to 30.81. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our lesson. If you need to review, please rewatch this video. Thank you for watching, kids. Goodbye.